Hi all, unboxing time. Got another box in the mail. Just gonna let's see, Thunderbolts 164. Prodigy issue 1. Doom Patrol number 2. Number 3. Spectacular Spider-Man. I don't know what number it is. I just bought it because there's a blank variant. Spectacular Spider-Man number 1, variant edition. Sensational She-Hulk issue 6 variant. Edge of the Spider-Verse 1 variant. Miles Morales Spider-Man number 17. Avengers Twilight book 3. Man of War number 1. Countdown to Final Crisis number 2 and number 16, which I have the whole Crisis series. Dan must have threw them in for nothing. I think the only thing I need is a couple four Horsemen ones for the Crisis series. The Countdown, I should say, or whatever. Yeah, there's another Countdown to Final Crisis 13. Man of War number 2. Number 3, Skywolf number 1, number 2, and number 3. The Liberty Project number 1, which I think I already had this one, but I didn't have the rest. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, then Savage Avengers number 1, and the last pack. Countdown to Final Crisis number 10. Exiles number 5. Number 37. I like this cover. Savage Avengers number 3 variant. Carnage Eyes, Elektra. Tales of the Marvels Wonder Years book 1 of 2. And 2 of 2. Captain America Iron Man issue 5. Regarding the matter of Oswald's body, number 1. Number 2. Dark Knights, Batman, the Dawn Breaker, number 1. Tarzan Family Giant, number 65. Justice League, this was a General Mills. Young Romance, number 38. Amazing Spider-Man, number 1 free issue. Weapon X Days of Future Now, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4 and number 5. I think I have this. I think I bought it by accident. I didn't get the other one, I guess. I bought these. I already have most of these. I just had to get one so I can have one I can open and one that I can keep in the plastic. But that's what I picked up this run. And as always, I thank you all for viewing and subscribing. King Joe out.